Today, let's take a look at the process of sesame oil production. First, pour the sesame seeds into this stainless steel funnel through this pipe. A preliminary screening process takes place. The high-quality sesame seeds are separated out and transported to the cleaning workshop. In the automatic sesame cleaning machine, the sand and dust in the sesame are thoroughly cleaned. After the cleaning process, the sesame seeds are poured into this drainage basin, where they are left aside to drain off excess water. Once most of the moisture has been drained, the sesame seeds are poured into our sesame roasting pan under the operation of the fully automatic sesame roasting pan. The whole workshop is soon filled with the fragrance of sesame. The roasted sesame seeds are automatically transferred to the oil extraction workshop. Once the sesame is filled in the oil extraction tank, the workers place an iron plate on top. By applying downward pressure on the top, the oil from the sesame is quickly squeezed out. After filtration and sedimentation, the rich and aromatic sesame oil is complete.